Well, hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today, we are making Thai peanut butter sandwiches. You're not going to want to miss this. Well, thanks a lot for watching. If this is your first time watching, or if you just want to learn how to make awesome food, or learn how to do your own cooking show, then start by hitting that little subscribe button right there, and then hitting that notification bell to be notified each and every time I upload new content. All right, well, you clicked on this video to watch me make a Thai peanut butter sandwich, so let's get into the kitchen and see what the ingredients are for this fantastic sandwich. All right, here's our ingredients. Of course, we got peanut butter, cucumber, fresh basil, curry powder, a little bit of lime, orange, oops, what is this? Yeah, orange peel. Got some sriracha right here and some white bread. All right, to get this mixed up, we're going to put in about 4 tablespoons of peanut butter. About a teaspoon of sriracha, about a teaspoon of the orange peel, a little bit, about half that lime, about a teaspoon of that curry powder. Stir this up real good, get all the flavors blended. Then we're going to go on to our next step, which is cutting up the basil and the cucumber. We're going to go ahead and chiffonade our basil. I have left a card right here of a video I did on how to chiffonade, and I'm just going to do this real quick just so I can get through the video. Here's our basil, and I've got a cucumber here. I'm just going to peel it, tear the peel off. This will add a little crunch to our sandwich too. This out of here. I'm just going to cut it in half. And we're going to cut slice medallions, thin or thick as you want. These are going to go on the sandwich to add a little crunch. Alright, since we're going to be buttering one side of the bread, I'm trying to put this peanut butter mixture on the other side of it because we are going to pan fry this like a grilled cheese. I'm going to go ahead and just put the butter right into the pan. And we can just utilize that butter with our bread. We can put our bread right in there. Instead of trying to butter both sides, one side will already be buttered. And we can grill our sandwich. So I'm just spreading the mixture on one side of the bread and getting these all ready to put in there. Turn the heat down just a bit. And I'm going to put the bread right in that butter. And we're going to let this toast right up like a grilled cheese. And while I'm doing this, I'm just going to put our cucumber in there for the crunch. And also that basil right in there. And we just let that cook. Just want to check it, see what it looks like. We can go ahead and put these together actually. And then we can just toast them. Whoop. And then we can just let them. And we just let them get toasty like that too. And just flip the sandwich as we need. Alright, I'm going to let the other side get nice and brown too. And then I'm going to cut these up, plate them up real nice, take some pictures for social media, then we're going to lay those pictures down on our timeline with some groovy music, and then we're going to come back and try these out, and then we're going to say goodbye. Okay, well here's the sandwich. You can see that peanut butter and that basil and that cucumber in there. I'm going to give this a try and let you know what it tastes like. All right, well there's that sandwich in all its gooey goodness. So here we go. Very good. I would have probably added more hot sauce to it, because I like hot sauce. But the flavors complement each other. The texture and mouthfeel are awesome with that crunch from the cucumber. The basil helps kick out that tomato-ness of the hot sauce. Very good sandwich. Oh, there it is. There's the heat. Yeah, it comes after about 2 bites. But yeah, I definitely would, have it on the side if you want to dip some of that hot sauce, in there, but that would be good. This is a different take on a peanut butter sandwich, but it's really good, grilled, with a little bit of hot sauce in there and some Thai flavor. So give it a try. All right, well, I'd like you to check out the description box below. I left the recipe and the method of how to cook it. I also have some links down there that I think you should check out. If you have your own cooking channel or just a YouTube channel, there's a link for TubeBuddy down there. If you want to increase your views and your subscribers, definitely click that link, get onto TubeBuddy. It will help you out. It's got a great toolbox for all your needs. Also, I have my affiliate links down there for all the equipment that I use to Amazon, and also my link for my fantastic seasoning spices and herb blends on my Etsy and my website shops. So go ahead and hit those. Thanks a lot for joining us, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not done so already. Go ahead and leave a comment below, like this channel, and then share it with everybody you know. Thanks a lot for joining us again. Take care of yourselves, and we will see you next time right here on It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Bye-bye.